Welcome back to Versus Vault. In today's video, we're diving deep into the history of two of the most talked about assets of the 21st century, Bitcoin and gold. Both have played major roles in the financial world, but in vastly different ways. So, let's break it down and see how these two giants compare in terms of history, value, and significance. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was introduced in 2008 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was designed as a decentralized digital currency, free from government control. Its white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was a revolutionary step towards creating a transparent, borderless, and secure way to transfer value without a central authority. In January 2009, Bitcoin's first block was mined, marking the official birth of the cryptocurrency. Back then, one Bitcoin was worth literally pennies. It wasn't until 2010 that the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin took place, 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas. And that's when Bitcoin began to gain traction. Now let's talk about gold. Gold has been used as a store of value for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Mesopotamians. Unlike Bitcoin, which was created in the digital age, gold has physical properties that make it universally recognized as a form of wealth. Its value was backed by its rarity, durability, and beauty. Gold was a part of the standard monetary system for centuries, even being the basis of the gold standard until the mid-20th century. It has stood the test of time as a hedge against inflation, a safe haven during times of crisis, and a symbol of wealth. Fast forward to the 2010s. Bitcoin's price began to surge, but its journey was far from smooth. From just a few dollars in 2013 to hitting over $1,000 by 2017. It's important to note that Bitcoin was still considered highly volatile compared to traditional assets like gold. On the other hand, gold remained relatively stable but incredibly valuable. During times of financial crisis, such as the 2008 global financial crash, gold served as a safe haven. It maintained its position as a reliable asset, with prices reaching over $1,800 an ounce in 2012. Gold has been a part of investors' portfolios for centuries, especially during times of uncertainty. It has proven to weather the storm when fiat currencies and other assets have faltered. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin's meteoric rise. By the end of 2017, Bitcoin was hitting new all-time highs, crossing $20,000. In 2020 and 2021, institutional investors began taking Bitcoin seriously. Companies like Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy made large investments, and Bitcoin started to be recognized by Wall Street as a potential store of value alongside gold. And as of October 2025, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of over $126,000 per coin, showcasing its growing influence and acceptance in the financial world. Gold also reached new heights in October 2025, surpassing $4,200 per ounce. This marked a significant milestone for the precious metal, reflecting its enduring appeal as a safe haven asset, especially as global financial conditions evolve. Let's compare the two. Bitcoin offers fast, digital transactions, is decentralized, and is seen by many as the future of money. It's still highly volatile, though, and has a relatively short track record compared to gold. Gold, on the other hand, has a long history, is a tangible asset, and has been a reliable store of value for thousands of years. While it's not as easily transferable as Bitcoin, its stability is unmatched in times of economic uncertainty. To sum it up, Bitcoin and gold both have their merits. Bitcoin might be the future of money and offers incredible growth potential, but its volatility is something to consider. Gold, however, remains a time-tested store of value, especially in times of crisis. So, which one do you think is the better asset for the future? Will Bitcoin replace gold as the ultimate store of value, or is gold's legacy too strong to beat? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for more comparisons on your favorite assets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.